Hello, writers. Today we are going to be talking about note taking. But first, I just want to review paraphrasing versus plagiarism. So think back. Plagiarism is when an author steals the exact words of another author without giving them credit. But paraphrasing is when we take facts and we write them down using our own words. That's what we worked on in yesterday's lesson. Today we're going to be looking at note taking. Each of you is going to have an informational writing post-its copy. This first slide, what you're going to do is you are going to fill in what your topic is right here, and you can just type it in the box. Then you come up here to the slide tool and you go to the next one. Using your table of contents, that's each chapter is going to give you your subtopic. Whatever the chapter is, that's going to be your subtopic. So then you can click in the box and you can type whatever that's going to be. So chapter 1, whatever your chapter 1 title is, that's what you're going to put here. Then we're going to use Kittl to help us research. So if I'm doing football, I can type football in here and I can even click facts and it's going to bring up football facts that I can use. So if I come here and let's say my first topic was, what is football? So I can type in, what is football? And I can use my box tool to make it a little bigger. And if I come over here, I need to come up with a couple facts that go with that subtopic. So it is a sport played by two teams of 11 players. So to change that into my own words, I might say, in football, there are two teams. Each team has 11 players on it. So I come over here and I click my sticky note and I type that. In football, there are two teams. Each team has 11 players on it. That would be my first thing. So then I can just hit save. And now I have a sticky note that's ready to go. And if it's a little too small, once again, I can make these bigger. So we want to have about 4 sticky notes on each subtopic. And we're going to be working on this for 2 days. So I can come and add another sticky note for this one. Then when I'm ready to go to the next chapter from my table of contents, my next subtopic, all I have to do is click up here and go to the next one. We are looking for you to have about 4 of them, but there are more slides made so you can have more if you would like. That is your task today, is to come up with your sticky notes for each subtopic. This is going to help us later build our draft for our informational writing.